Every year, thousands of solar systems are installed around the world, and most operate safely for decades. Yet, from time to time, we hear stories of solar panels catching fire. Does that mean solar panels are dangerous? The answer is no. In most cases, solar panel itself is not the cause of fire. Poor installation, faulty components, or lack of proper maintenance are usually the cause. Now, when you install a solar panel, at the back of the solar panel, you have the cables. You have the positive and the negative. If you have more than one solar panel, you have 4, 5, 6, 10, 15 solar panels. It means you're going to connect these solar panels in series, in parallel, or you do a hybrid connection, which is series parallel connection. If you connect these panels in series, you have high voltage. If you connect them in parallel, you have high current. In most of the installations, the cables that are used are undersized cables. When you are installing a solar power system, you need to do a proper system design. In that design, you know the current that will be flowing from the solar panels to either your charge controller or your hybrid inverter, depending on your configuration, whether series, parallel, or series parallel. If you have high current, you know that you will definitely need large size of cables so that they'll be able to accommodate, they'll be able to carry the amount of current that will be flowing through them. So if you install a solar power system and you have high amount of current because your connection is in parallel, and you install small gauge cable, that is small size of cable, during generation, mostly when solar panels are generating at their peak around 12 noon, 1, 2 p.m., when irradiance is high, the intensity of sun is high. At this point, the solar panels have the tendency to generate more than their rated specifications, because what we have here, there are STC values, standard test conditions, where the irradiance is 1000 watts per square meter and the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Now, what if the irradiance increase above 1000 watts per square meter? The solar panel can generate more than its rated capacity. So, if the cables at that point cannot handle the amount of current that is flowing through them, the cables will overheat, they can melt, and this can lead toward fire outbreak. So, as either a homeowner or a system installer, a solar system installer, you have to be very careful when you are installing your solar panels on the roof to know the appropriate size of cable you will use for your installation. That is why at Sawat Energy, before we carry out an installation, we do proper calculation. We calculate the amount of current that will be flowing through the cables from your roof, depending on the number of solar panels you are using. And we know whether we are connecting in series or in parallel. Connecting in series or in parallel depends on the PV input requirements of either your charge controller or your hybrid inverter. So before you see solar panels on the roof, a proper system design has been carried out. If you ignore this step, you ignore this process, you want to jump over it, and you don't care, like some will tell you there's no point designing a solar power system. All about solar power system is to hang this panel on the roof, connect it to your hybrid inverter or to your charge controller. So long as there is light, there's no problem. There will always be a problem when these solar panels start generating at their peak. So for you to have a safe system, number one, you need a professional solar system designer to design the system, give you the recommended accessories, the cables, the breakers, your fuse, and your SPDs, your surge protection devices. All of them are properly sized so that after installing the solar power system, you will not have issues. If you're in worry and you need a solar power system, you can call the numbers on your screen and pay us a visit, and we will properly design a solar power system and also install a system that will not give you issues, a system that will stand the test of time. If you are a solar installer, always take pains to design your system very well. Proper system design is very, very important. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.